Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stitch designer blouse back neck pattern. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get the notification for all future videos. So let's begin. Shoulder is 14, I'm taking half of it, that is 7 inches. Armhole is 7 inches. Chest is 36, I'm taking fourth part of it, that is 9, plus I'm adding 2 inches extra for the seaming allowances, so total I'm doing the marking on 11 inches. The total length of the blouse is 14 inches, I'm adding 1 inch extra for the seaming allowances, so I'm doing the marking on 15 inches. The waist I'm taking same as chest, just doing minus 1 inch on that because we'll also have to give darts. Now from here take 1.3 inches and mark shape for the armhole. Then we'll do the cutting of the lining. The neck width I'm taking is 3 inches and the length 4 inches. Now I'm giving the round shape over here. I am leaving 1 inch space from here. And towards the waist side I am marking on 4 inches and draw the same shape as I am doing. Now we'll cut this. Over here I'm going to add a broad strap of different color fabric. So for this I'm taking this fusion paper. The width of this strap is 11 inches and the length is 4 inches. Now I'm placing this strap over this lining and cut it accordingly. And paste it with the help of iron. Similarly I'm going to cut the main fabric for this. Later we are going to place it over here like this. Now we'll cut this from the center and place this lining towards the right side of the main fabric. And secure it with the pins. Then cut it accordingly. Now sew this lining with the main fabric from the 3 sides. And take out the pins. Then trim the extra fabric. Turn it from this side and do the top stitch. Similarly, prepare this other side as well. I am sewing this lining with the main fabric from all around. Just leaving little bit space from this side to turn it. Now trim the extra fabric. And turn it from this opening. Fold this extra fabric towards inside. And do the top stitch. Now I am adding some gota patti lace on this strap. For this, I am marking a line leaving around half inch space. Now I am going to sew this gota patti lace over this line. So this is how it looks after sewing all the gota patti lace. Now place both these sides over this strap. And do the marking. Now sew this side over this marked line. Similarly, sew the other side as well. Now I am going to add this gota patti lace over the neckline. Similarly, add this lace over the other side as well. Near the neckline, leave around half inch space and draw a line. Similarly, draw a line on other side as well. Now sew this gota patti lace over the marked line. Similarly, sew it on other side as well. So leaving around half inch space, I am going to add 2 more lines of this gotapatti lace. As you can see, I sew all the 4 lines of this gotapatti lace. Now I am going to hand sew this both the sides together like this. Also I am adding one button over here to enhance the look. Our beautiful designer blouse back neck pattern is ready. Hope you like this video, and if you have any query or suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.